by June or late June, they would project that we would be in widespread distribution.
Ohio's governor is giving a forecast on when he thinks a COVID-19 vaccine could be available to most Ohioans. His comments come as more than 5,000 Ohioans have died from the virus.
5 on your side investigator Joe Pakanakis joins us live tonight. He's going in depth on where we stand in the search for a vaccine. Hey, Joe.
Well, Courtney, I spoke with a Cleveland Clinic doctor who works directly with the president's Warp Speed initiative in finding a vaccine for coronavirus. It's an initiative the U.S. Department of Health says has already put $11 billion into 7 different vaccine candidates.
There are so many candidates of the vaccine.
Dr. Claudia Hoyen, Director of Infection Control with Rainbow Babies and Children's Hospital, is optimistic a reliable vaccine is coming soon.
I think in terms of finding a vaccine, Joe, we're in a good place.
And there are 4 major categories of vaccines.
Dr. Serpil Arazarum at the Cleveland Clinic is on the team assisting Operation Warp Speed and says right now some 44 vaccine candidates are showing great promise. And based on her firsthand knowledge of the latest research, she believes one will be available in just months.
That we will have vaccines in the new year. I'm sure for healthcare workers and specific populations in the first quarter of the next year.
Dr. Sachin Patel at the Lake County Health District agrees and says his team is already working on a vaccine distribution network.
They'll roll it out in a phased approach, right? First, healthcare workers will be prioritized most likely. Elderly with pre-existing conditions or nursing home residents will probably be coming after that.
Lake County also working to identify vaccine clinic locations for mass distribution.
Talk to fire chiefs every week, mayors and managers and township trustees every week, the hospital weekly. So we're keeping that communication open.
Dr. Hoyen urging Northeast Ohioans to trust the science and be patient.
There is a light, I feel, at the end of the tunnel, but we all need to do our part to get us there.
And Dr. Hoyen says doing our part is wearing our masks, limiting large family gatherings, and of course, practicing that social distancing.
So, Joe, how many of these vaccines are now in the midst of large-scale testing?
Well, according to the latest World Health Organization data, there are 11 coronavirus candidates currently being tested on thousands of people right now for their effectiveness and safety. And by the way, my extended interview with Dr. Ezrin from the Cleveland Clinic with the latest on finding a vaccine posted right now on news5cleveland.com. If you want to know the latest, you won't want to miss that interview.
All right, Joe Pakanakis reporting for us live tonight. Thanks so much.